everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to fix the application was unable to start correctly. Click OK to close the application. To fix this issue, now try the first method. Now click on your search icon and just type control panel. In control panel, you can able to see the option programs. Just click on the option programs. Now at top, just click turn Windows features on or off. Now see whether the net frame is in check or unchecked. If it is in unchecked, kindly give a check and give OK. Now the second method is just click on the search icon and just type control panel. In that, just click on the option category and give large icons. Here you can able to see the option region. Just click the option region. Now select your region and give OK. Now the last method is just click on the search icon and just type CMD. And now just right click and give run as administrator. Now once your command prompt has opened, now copy the first command in description of this video and paste in command prompt and hit enter. Now copy the second command in description of this video and paste in your command prompt and hit enter. Now again copy the third command in description of this video and paste in your command prompt and hit enter. Now it will take few seconds to complete the process. Just wait until the process to get complete. Now after the program completed in command prompt, just close your command prompt. And now after trying these three methods, just click on the start icon and give restart your PC. Now after trying these three methods, your problem will be fixed. If still the problem is not fixed, kindly leave your command in command box. I hope this video is very useful for you. If you really like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you all next video. Bye bye. Take care.